Hi everyone! Yan, gagawa tayo nito. Inulan na ako. Yung roof ko hindi pa buo. So we're doing the roof. Pwede ba guys?
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, back again, once again. Thank you very much for always supporting my channel and subscribing my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Shout out to everybody, and shout out to the Pinoy Tambayan family, and to all our friends around the globe. Shout out to everyone. So at the moment guys, we are at the moment fixing our storage roofing. So I got this 6x8 storage that I have to do. It's a little bit tricky and a little bit thing that you have to focus on to finish everything that you have to fix into this. So when you haven't got someone and to help you with all these things, then sometimes you were like thinking that, am I gonna do this? Am I gonna finish this? Am I able to to see it nicely and properly with no mistake on it? So it's kind of a thing. So we have to just slowly and focus into one thing, so then the outcome is really impressive. So yeah guys, I've been so busy doing this, and I finally see that it looks good. I first and our friend came over to help us with the blocks underneath, lay out the blocks on the floor, and fix the floor together with the walls around. So but the roofing, I got no one to really do it until it's finished. So it really a little bit tricky, and the roof is really heavy, but I'm just so happy that I done this like alone, and I was kind of enjoying it really, because as you like concentrating to what is the next the plan, the thing from the manual, to see what and how you are going to do it. But just recently, just now that I'm putting those nails on the roof, since it's like a little bit weak for me to really get into the top. So I'm just kind of trying to reach it, and I have to step up onto the ladder, knowing that I have no one to hold the ladder, and I'm just kind of thinking that ballerina dancers, they they can stand and they can turn around with the tiptoeing thing with their body shows. So it's like kind of thinking those stuff and like kind of balancing with it. So my ladder is not moving until I finished all this fixing of the roof. So kind of overwhelming when you see this types of work that you're doing with your own, with no help, like you're alone. So this is how I've been like flexi of doing this. As sometimes you can I can think that if I done the cabinet, like the drawers, if I done the chairs, if I done the tables, why not try this? So it's like kind of really big thing. So since I get no one to help me, this is how you live, like, you know, with your family. My husband is at work, and so it's me. Kids are in school. It's like, oh, it's just time that I have some time to do it. So yes, I'm just happy with the outcome, and I am really kind of you know, when I finished it, and I was so relieved. I was so happy looking at this, and it's quite big. So thank you so much everyone for supporting me every time that I have new videos. And even though like I don't really have much time to really respond to you guys are always supporting me, like keep coming back into me. So when I get my sometimes I have to really do what you do to my channel, and I really appreciated you all. Thank you so much everybody. And to those who subscribe me, thank you very much to all your help. I may not know you, but thank you so much, and God bless everyone. So enjoy the rest of this video, and I hope everyone enjoy the summer during this time. I know it's quite hot this time now. It's quite hot to us, so like, but it's so nice. It's a little bit breezy, but it's okay. It's still good. Sunshine's coming out from my window during morning time, and it's lovely to see it like so bright outside, like you can do more things. So yeah, enjoy the rest of this video everyone, and enjoy the summer, enjoy the sun. It's when there is really bright sunny, it's like so nice to be more active, like running, all these exercise, do more things around. So yes, thank you so much everybody. Thank you so much for your support. Ayan, enjoy the rest of this video guys. It won't be long, I will be finished. Bye bye.